Okay. So we put the values of x. X is cos t. So minus 2 cos t into sin t plus 2y. The value of y is equal to sin t. So we put the value 2 sin t into cos t. So this is minus 2 cos t sin t. This is plus 2 sin t cos t. So the answer is 0. The answer is 0. In the same way, there are three variables. In question number 3, there are three variables. Question number 3 of the same exercise. This is exercise 14.4. This is exercise 14.4. W is equal to x upon z plus y upon z. So W depend upon the three variables x, y and z. W depends upon the three variables x, y and z. And x is equal to cos square t y is equal to sin square t and z is equal to 1 upon t. And t is equal to 3. At t is equal to 3. So this is the question. We have to find dw upon dt. We have to find dw upon dt, a part. So first of all, you find dava w upon dava x into dx upon dt, because x depends upon t only. So we will take the total derivative. If there are two variables, so we will take dava x upon dava t, plus in the same way dava w upon dava y into dy upon dt, plus dava w upon dava z into dz upon dt. It will become dava w upon dava x. So x derivative of x 1 upon z. Z is constant, so 1 upon z into x. So derivative of x is 1. So 1 upon z into 1 will be 1 upon z into dx upon dt. So it will become 2 cos t into derivative of cos t. What is inside? This is the power. We took the power over there and subtract one power. 2 minus 1 will be power 1. Then you take the derivative of cos t, that is minus sin t. Then we take the derivative of t. It will become 1. So there is no need to write. So this is dava w upon dava x into dx upon dt. This is dx upon dt. plus dawa w upon dawa y is 1 upon z into dy upon dt. It will be the same case, 2 sine t into the derivative of sine t will be cos t into derivative of t will be 1. 2 sine t into cos t. Now the third one plus dawa w upon dawa z. So this is x is constant, 1 upon z. It will become derivative of 1 upon z. X is constant. So derivative of 1 upon z will be minus 1 upon z square. This is dawa w upon dawa x. And this one also, y is constant. And derivative of 1 upon z will be minus 1 upon z square. So this is the whole derivative of dawa w upon dawa z. Now dawa z upon dawa t. This is z. So this is 1 upon t. Just like that was 1 upon z, the derivative is minus 1 upon z square. So this is 1 upon t, derivative is minus 1 upon t square. So this is dawa w upon dawa x, 1 upon z, then dawa dx upon dt, 2 cos t into minus sin t. In the same way, this one 1 upon z, this is 0, this is 0. There is no x. We are taking dawa w upon dawa x. There is no x, so this will be 0. Now we will take into dawa w upon dawa y. So this will be 0 and this will be y. The derivative of y will be 1. So 1 upon z into dy upon dt. So that will become 2 sine t into cos t. Then the third one, dawa w upon dawa z. So both the functions have z. So we will take the derivative of this one as well as this one. The derivative of this one, x is constant, and 1 upon z minus 1 upon z square. And here y is constant plus y into minus 1 upon z. This is the whole one is dawa w upon dawa z. Because in both the terms z is present. And when we were taking dawa w upon dawa x, only one term contains x. Dawa w upon dawa y, only one term contains y. Okay. And then dawa z, dz upon dt. So 1 upon t minus 1 upon t square. So the final answer will become minus 2 cos t sin t upon z plus 2 sin t cos t upon z plus the third one minus x, this minus, this minus, this minus I am taking common. Inside will become x, minus is outside, so x upon z plus x upon z square plus y upon z square into 1 upon t square. So 1 upon t square is being multiplied with this one as well as. So t square will multiply with this one as well as with this one. Sorry, this minus is multiplied with this one positive, this is positive, it will become positive. And x plus y upon z t square z square. This is cancelled. Only this one is left. X plus y upon t square z square. Put the values of x, y and z. Put the values of x, y and z. So it will become at x is equal to cos square t, y is equal to sin square t, and z is equal to 1 over t. We will put all these values over there. So therefore dw upon dt will become x cos square t plus y sin square t upon t square. Z is 1 over t, so z square is 1 over t square. It is cancel out. Cos square t plus sin square t will be equal to 1. So the answer is 1. 1 upon 1 is the 1. This is the final answer. So there is no need to find b, because in b we have to put the value of t is equal to 3. There is no t inside. There is no t inside, therefore no t is left over there where to put the value of t. Question number 4. Question number 4. Are you understanding? Anything if you want to ask, you raise your hand. Raise your hand and ask the question if you have any. No question? Okay. I'm doing the next question. Next question is question number 4. Next question is question number 4. Question number 4. W is equal to ln x square plus y square plus z square. W is equal to ln x square plus y square plus z square. where x is equal to question number 4, where x is equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t. X is equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t. Z is equal to 4 under root t. And at t is equal to 3. Again t is equal to. This is the B part. When we'll put the value in the B part. For A part we will do just like we have done already. So we will find dw upon dt. It will be dava w upon dava x into dx upon dt. Plus dava w upon dava y into dy upon dt plus dava w upon dava z into dz upon dt. Okay. So dava w upon dava x, this is ln. So we'll take 1 upon x square plus y square plus z square into derivative dava w upon derivative of x square plus y square plus z square with respect to x. Partial derivative of x square plus y square plus z square with respect to x. So dava x square plus y square plus z square upon dava x. So it will be 2x only. The remaining will be 0. This is dava w upon dava x. Now dx upon dt. Dx upon dt will be minus sin t. X is cos t, so its derivative will be minus sin plus dava w upon dava y. So dava w upon dava y again 1 upon x square plus y square plus z square into the derivative of this one dava x square plus y square plus z square upon dava y. So this will be 0 plus 2y, 0 plus 2y plus z plus 0 into this is dava w upon dava y into dava y upon dava t. It will be I'm writing over there plus 1 upon 0 plus y square plus 0 into x square plus y square plus z square into the derivative of 2x will be 0 plus 2y plus 0. This is dava w upon dava y. As we have done over there, dava w upon dava x. This is ln of whole one. So 1 upon this into dava z upon dava dy upon dt. It will be y sin t. It will become cos t. Then plus dava w upon dava z Again, one upon x square plus y square plus z square into derivative of this one with respect to z. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 2z. 0 plus 0 plus 2z. This is Java w upon Java z. Now dz upon dt. Dz upon dt. Z is 4 under root 2. So it will become derivative 4 is constant into t raised to power 1 over t, derivative will be 1 over 2 into t raised to power 1 over 2 minus 1, that is minus 1 over 2 into derivative of t will be 1. Now we will simplify. It will become two y upon x square plus y square z square into cos t. 2y cos t upon x square plus y square plus z square. Sorry, first half
आप
जी कहिए।
ये बता रहा था सर, ये बता रहा था, वो ऊपर वाली लाइन आपने मिस कर दी।
हाँ, ये सॉरी हमने ये लेना है, 2y नहीं हमने लेना, माइनस 2x cos sin t minus 2x sin t. This will be 2y cos t plus 2y cos t upon x square plus y square plus z square plus this one 2 into 2z will be 4z into t raised to power minus 1 over 2 upon x square plus y square plus z square. Just a minute. Okay, 1 upon x square plus y square plus z square is common. This is common. So x square plus y square plus z square is common. There is minus 2x sin t plus 2y cos t plus 4z t raised to power minus 1 over 2. Now we will put the values of x, y, and z. We will put the value of x, y, and z. Okay, from here. the value of x is cos t. So it will become minus 2 cos t. Minus 2x will become minus 2 cos t into sin t. In the same way, plus 2 y is sin t. Sin t cos t. This is cos t. Y sin t plus 2 sin t into cos t plus 4z. Z is 4 under root 2. 4 under root t. Four into z. Z is 4 under root t into t raised to power minus 1. That means 1 upon under root. T raised to power minus 1 means 1 upon under root t. Whole upon x square. X is cos t. So cos square t plus y square. Y is sin t. So sin square t plus z square. Z is 4 under root t. It will become 16t. Z was 4 under root t. This is z. This 4z. So this is 4. This is z. 4 under root t will become 16t. 4 under root t will become 16t. Z square. So now we'll further simplify. Minus 2 cos t sin t plus 2 cos t sin t is cancel. T is t cancel. This is 16 only. Upon cos square plus sin square is equal to 1 plus 16t. Minus 2 cos t sin t cancel plus 2 cos t sin t. Naveed Ali Shah 63274. So that is 16 minus 2 cos t sin t plus 2 sin t cos t cancel. 4 into 4 will be 16. T under root t cancel. So only 16 is left over. This is 0. This is 16. Upon cos square t plus sin square t will be 1 plus 16t. This is a part dw upon dt. This is a part dw upon dt. Now for the b part, we'll put the value of t that is equal to 3. We will put the value of t that is equal to 3. So b part at t is equal to 3. So dw upon dt will become 16 upon 1 plus 16 into 3. The answer will become 16 upon 1 plus 48. 16 upon 49. This is the final answer for the B part. This is the final answer for the A part, 16 upon 1 plus 16t. This is the final answer for B part, 16 upon 49. When the t is 3. Now question number 5. W is equal to Naseem. Now question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. W is equal to 2y e raised to power x. W is equal to 2y e raised to power x minus ln z. Minus ln z. Where x is equal to ln t square plus 1. Y is equal to tan inverse t. Z is equal to e raised to power t. At t is equal to 1. Mohammad Ali Kamal. Yes.
सर एक क्वेश्चन है
जी जी कहिए.
सर अगर हम लोग के पास आखिर में कोई टी की वैल्यू नहीं बची तो हम लोग बी पार्ट करेंगे ही नहीं.
नहीं करेंगे नहीं, जब टी है ही नहीं तो टी में पुट करना था ना. टी की वैल्यू जब टी बचा ही नहीं तब तो क्या कहाँ पुट करेंगे, कैसे कर
सही है.
लेंगे हम जब टी है ही नहीं. ठीक है. नाउ तो फर्स्ट वन डी डब्ल्यू अपॉन डी टी. ए पार्ट डी डब्ल्यू अपॉन डी टी. dw upon dt will be equal to dava w upon dava t, dava w upon dava x into dx upon dt plus dava w upon dava y into dy upon dt plus dava w upon dava z into dz upon dt. Now put the values. Dava w upon dava x. So this is constant when we are taking with respect to x. So we will take the derivative of this one only, e raised to power x. These are supposed to be constants. So it will become 2y. And the derivative of e raised to power x is e raised to power x. And the derivative of x is 1 into minus log z. There is no x. The derivative with respect to x will be 0. Now we'll take this is the dava w upon dava x. 2y will be considered as constant. E raised to power x, the derivative will be e raised to power x. Then the derivative of ln z will be 0 because there is no x. This is dava w upon dava x into dx upon dt. This one. So 1 upon ln hai, so 1 upon t square plus 1 into t square plus 1 का derivative 2t. This is dx upon dt. Now plus डावा w अपॉन डावा y. So y का डेरिवेटिव 1, 2 और e raised to power x is constant. So this is 2 e raised to power x. There is no y. The derivative of L